What's going on, guys? Yes, I have a lot of boxes here. I'm at the 9-to-5 job, and the reason why I'm at the 9-to-5 job so late with all these boxes is because I finally got a notification that the last box came in and had to rush in and get this stuff set up. So the reason for all these boxes, now we just hired a videographer slash photographer at my 9-to-5 job. The marketing director gave this guy a huge budget, said, hey, we have $8 grand in the budget. This is your limit. What do you want? And he gave us a big list of 2 monitors, a laptop, a bunch of other accessories, which I have here. And I'm gonna be unboxing all this stuff with you guys slowly. And I'm pretty excited. When I received the list, I did give my 2 cents on the laptop because it was on the MacBook Pro 16-inch, the latest one that came out for this year. I told the marketing director, like, spec it out. Give it the max memory, hard drive space, processor, and also try to get the highest on the GPU. And she looked it over, she said go for it, and I believe we have the latest MacBook Pro 16-inch all maxed out with the specifications. So I'm really excited to get this guy inside the 9-to-5 job. The cool thing is that the videographer slash photographer is out for the week, so I'm gonna be playing with all his stuff before he touches it. But I gotta get it set up for him so when he comes in the following day to work, everything is good to go. So let's start unboxing some of this stuff and get to it. Alright, so first thing that we have is this small little item that I picked up from B&H. Extremely important because the hub adapter that the videographer slash photographer got did not have an Ethernet port. So this is extremely important to have because I want the MacBook Pro to be part of the network so he's able to get the correct permissions and policies, and I'm able to push out updates using Apple's remote desktop. So I definitely picked this up. Ethernet, 1 gigabit with Type-C. So this is very important. So let's take this guy out of the box. Awesome, boom. All right, next box that we got was from B&H again. B&H is a huge vendor that I like to buy personally, as well as the job. It's messed up a little bit, so hopefully nothing is damaged. And let's open this guy up and see what's in here. Oh, awesome. So this is a USB-C to headphone jack because he did place within one of his items a, I think, Audio-Technica headphone. Automatically, he was like in my good list because the one that he got, I believe, was the M60X. So he's in my good side already. All right, so we have your cool Type-C to headphone jack. So you can use the headphones. Let's put that to the side. We have a rugged Type-C hard drive, external hard drive, 5 terabytes. This company is well known for using or being used for the Mac world. When I used to work for an architect firm, a lot of the people, a lot of the marketing people used to use Macs, and this used to be the #1 choice of external hard drives. This company right here. So awesome. Cool. Comes with 2 cables, both Type-C. This one is a Type-C, Type-C, and this one is a Type-C, and I'm assuming a 3.1 USB port. And last but not least, we have the K5750 Solar Logitech keyboard. Cool. Open this guy up real quick. Let's throw this box out of here. Get out of here with that. Let's open this. Get this guy open. Good. Awesome. Serious? There we go. Cool. Ooh, cool. Got the USB transmitter right here, which is awesome. Transmitter. Right. Toss that out. Little Logitech manual warranty. Awesome. Cool, cool, cool. Look at that. Cool. It's turned off. I'll take this off. Ooh, sweet. Throw that to the side. All right, we got another box. This box comes from Amazon. Oh, let's chop this guy up. Boom. All right, so what's inside here? I don't even know what this is. I don't feel like I ordered this. I don't know what this is. I guess I'll look at that later. Yes, the Logitech MX Master. So I'm super surprised that he got this model because they do have Model 3 already out in the market. B&H actually has this particular model discontinued. They are advertising Model 3. I'm actually using Model 3 and it works extremely well. So super surprised that he got the MX Master, the original one. Okay, so let's open this guy up real quick. This one as well comes with a USB transmitter. Can mix it up with the other USB transmitter. Comes with the micro connection to USB to charge it up. And then you have this guy. Look at that. Beautiful. I like the gold one. I believe on MX3 it's kind of like bluish grayish color. What else did we order? Oh, this is the hub that he purchased. Not a vendor or a brand that I know. So this is probably something that he's used in the past and he's comfortable with it. So why not? We purchased it, right? Your boss tells you got $8 grand. If you want anything, just tell me. Little pouch to slap in the hub. Cool. Got yourself a manual. And I guess this is the manual right here telling you all the type of ports. Looks like it has two 3.0, a Thunderbolt Type-C port, one Type-C, a micro, an SD card, and an HDMI at the back which supports 4K at 30 Hertz. Nice. It goes to two 3.0, two Type-Cs, one is a Thunderbolt, SD card, micro. Assuming this little guy right here is your LED indicator. Type-C connections to plug it into the side of your MacBook Pro and your HDMI. Again, this does not have a Ethernet, so this is the reason why we purchased the Ethernet adapter, because I need that laptop to be part of the network so I could push out the updates and policies. Next thing is, what is this? Oh, he wanted to purchase 6 feet, what is this, HDMI cables. Cool. Again, this is what he recommended, this type. 6 feet. Yeah, 6 feet. What else? What is this? Let's open this up. Oh, this is the, got it. This is the Type-C to HDMI. Is this HDMI? Yep. No, display. So display port to Type-C. This is definitely a brand that I do not know. And the last item from Amazon is the Audio-Technica M60X headphones, which these are one of my favorites, but they are very expensive. I think they have the 90X right now. Ooh, nice. We have a warranty or manual. Cool. You got your cables. Short cable, long cable. Got your 1/4-inch adapter. You got the cable that has the cord. And then last but not least, you have the M60X headphones. How awesome is that? Look at that. Cool. Cool. Awesome. Now the next one on the list that we have is two 27-inch SW series or SW27-1 HDR 4K monitors from BenQ. We have 2 of these boxes. I'm only going to open up one for you guys on the video, so don't freak out. And then behind the scenes, I'm going to open up the second box and then start plugging everything up. But this guy is for $1,100. It's really expensive. This is the type of monitor that if you are definitely into color grading, color correction, this is the type of monitor that you should get. It supports 10-bit. It has a lot of great little features, so let's open this guy up real quick. It's a knife. Get a nice little factory report from BenQ of what they've done so far to configure the monitor with the coloring. Looks like this is the arm. pretty tall guy. Sheesh. Look at the armor in this guy. That's crazy. It's a beast. Wow. This is the base for the monitor. Sheesh. Thing is a monster. Looks like this small little box. CDs, drivers and stuff. A bunch of cables. We got the hotkey puck. That's pretty fly. Ah, cool, look at that. We have a bunch of cables. Comes with a Type-C cable, HDMI to HDMI. You have your power, heavy gauge power cable. You have a mini display to display port. And it looks like you have a USB port. Cool. Nice. A lot of cables. Awesome. Oh, what is this? Cool. Got an additional box right here. Flip this over. Let's see what this is. Oh, I think this is the shades for the monitor. Whoa, cool. Nice. So this is the shade. So the monitor comes with its own little shade to block off the lighting in the office. Ah, this looks like a lot of work. Crap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's a 9-piece. Jeez. Definitely gonna put this to the side. Oh, we have the monitor. $1,100 for a 27-inch 4K HDR from BenQ monitor. Looking pretty sweet. On the side, you have an SD card slot, 2 3.1 USB. On the very back, you have your power port. Got your USB connection. You have your 2 HDMIs, a display, your Type-C, your USB, your audio jack. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Wow, this is awesome. Alright, so this is the last box that I have to open up, and I guarantee you guys, guess what it is? It is the laptop. The one that I'm mostly excited about. Oh, let's take this guy out. Now this one is decked out, specced out to the max of memory, hard drive space, and the graphics processor. We have the beautiful brand new MacBook Pro 16-inch. Wow. Look how beautiful. Woo. Wait, where's my knife? There it goes, look. Mac Pro 16-inch. I mean, this machine is capable to handle everything. Cool. So inside the box, you have your Type-C to Type-C cable. You have your manual. MacBook Pro manual, stickers. And that's it. And we have your power brick. This guy goes inside the power brick, so let's take this thing out. I'm kind of sad that Apple doesn't come with the long extension cord anymore with the power bricks. They just come with this. In the past, they used to have, you know, this adapter and then the long one. But now they just got cheap. Like, come on, we spent so much money for this damn MacBook Pro. At least give us an additional cable. I know the cable is not in here. All right, that's it. And then we have the beautiful, I think this is space gray, MacBook Pro 16-inch. Wow. Boom, look at that. Let's open this guy up. Look at that. Oh. I think the only reason that I do not purchase a MacBook Pro is because of the trackpad. How sexy is that? I don't like the feel of the trackpad. I mean, it's really big, It's huge, but I just don't like the feel of it. Ugh. They brought back the escape key, and like I said before, it looks like they, underneath the keyboard, they changed the switches for a better response on the keys when you're typing. And it looks like it automatically boot up. It wants me to start configuring it. Ooh, look at that. Look at that display. Alright guys, and I am done. I'm not really done yet because I still need to set up the 27-inch monitors to the MacBook Pro 16. I still need to push out a lot of updates. I need to slap in our corporate image on it. I need to hook this hub into this MacBook Pro right here. It's getting super late. It's already like 9:55. I need to go home and eat and you know, chill with my son. But really nice, really solid. I have a week to play around with this laptop, so hopefully by next week I will give you guys my full review on how I feel about this laptop. An $8,000 budget, and this is everything that he got. Like, holy moly. And he didn't even budget a camera yet, so wow. I can't wait to see what type of camera he will get for the 9 to 5. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. I'll probably stay a little bit and play around with the MacBook Pro. If not, I'm gonna leave everything as is, and then on Monday morning when I get to the 9 to 5, I'm gonna start configuring, plugging everything up, and then the whole week I'm gonna play around with the MacBook Pro, and then hopefully by next Monday, next Monday or next year, I would give you guys my 2 cents on the MacBook Pro 16-inch. So I catch you guys on the next one, and peace out.